Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh.
Alright, my babies, let's go ahead and get started. Yes, bare face. First things first, go ahead and drink your water because you know water is key. So now I'm going to jump into my brows, and I did my brows off camera, but I wanted to show you guys me cleaning up my brows at least. I'm using the Juvias Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade number 10, and I'm just cleaning those bad boys out, make them clean and all that good stuff. All brushes will be in the description box, so make sure you check them out. Love this brush. This is the Morphe, I forgot the number, but it's a Morphe brush. So now I'm going to prime my face, and I'm taking this Tatcha Canvas Primer. This primer is not my favorite, but I've had it for so long that I need to start using it before I throw it out, because I know I'm pretty sure it might expire soon. I think primers expire, right? So we're just working that all over my skin like so. And yes, you guys can still see the white cast look, but it's okay. I'm gonna get rid of that once I blend it all in with my foundation. And for foundation, I'm taking this Juvias Place foundation stick in the shade maroon, and I'm just placing this all over my face. I am so in love with this foundation. The more I use it, the more I am in love, okay? This is definitely a perfect lightweight everyday wear foundation for those ladies who want the coverage, but you don't want that cakey face. You want it more of a natural, dewy look. This foundation will be so good for you, okay? I've noticed the more I wear it, the more I'm like, wow, I love the natural look. Like, it still covers up your problem areas, but like it gives you like a light wear feel, if that makes any sense, okay? Y'all see that? Bomb, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and conceal, and I'm grabbing two concealers. I love the I Am Magic concealers so much because it's so creamy. So I'm taking the shade number 10, and then I'm putting number 15 a little bit closer to my nose, and that's just going to lighten the concealer a lot more. And yes, I go heavy-handed on my concealer, but at the end of the whole look, you guys are gonna see how bomb this look turns out. But yeah, we're just gonna blend that all in like so. And girl, concealer, if you don't have this concealer yet, you need to get your hands on it. Actually, Juvias Place is having a Black Friday sale right now, and it's massive. Like, you can get this concealer under $10. So if you know your shade, go to juviasplace.com and, you know, buy yourself makeup, okay? Even eyeshadows, like an eyeshadow palette is $10 right now. I'm just mind blown right now. It's just amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and contour with the foundation stick, and this is in the shade Scotto, and I'm just going to contour all the places that I usually contour: my big old head, my nose, underneath my lip. I've been doing that lately, and I think it looks pretty good. And then on underneath my chin as well. Love this foundation stick. Like I just told you guys, it's so creamy, so it's not going to just feel like it's stiff on your face. It blends really, really nice, but you're not going to blend the product out of your face. Like, it blends where it stays on your face as well. So yeah, that's one thing I like about this foundation so far. And y'all see how damn creamy this is? Like, it's so creamy. Oh my gosh, I love this whole makeup glam. This is such a holiday glam. If you're looking for holiday glam, definitely do this look. I feel like it's so appropriate and so nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with Juvias Place setting powder. I forgot the name of this one, but I will leave it in the description box. And I posted this video, a mini tutorial on my IG. I was debating whether to post it on my YouTube channel, but I'm pretty sure you guys want to see this. At least some of y'all would like to see this. So I decided to like quickly edit this and have it up for you guys today. So happy Friday, y'all. I hope you guys are enjoying your Black Friday. Have you shopped? Let me know in the comment section. What have you bought so far? Have you gone to the stores, or have you done your online shopping instead of going to the stores? I would honestly like to know. I bought some few things from Pretty Little Things so far, and I've been vlogging for you guys too. So yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab the Juvias Place blush palette and grab that blush right there, and I'm going to use this as a contour because I have not yet found a shade in their palettes that work really nice, well, on my skin tone, that I feel like it looks like an appropriate shade to contour with. So I am actually waiting for them to release like a contour palette, something in that area, but so far this is what I use. And I also grabbed the orange shade to blush. Okay, so I blushed twice, but I used the first shade to contour. If that makes any sense, well, at least to set where I contoured. So I'm gonna use this one to blush, and I love how beautiful it looks on my skin tone. Juvia's Place products is like amazing, woman of color friendly all the way. So I'm gonna grab this beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is totally one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that they have. It's my colors. I love the warm tones, the bronzy. I love that. Okay, and this palette is definitely it for this look. So I took that really light like a brown eyeshadow and just work that all over my crease as a transition shade, and I also used that underneath my water lash line, and I also went in and grabbed that really beautiful gold eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I just used this all over my eyelid. I'm telling y'all, this look was so easy, but it came out really glam. I'm more of that type of girl who loves the glam easy looks that you can wear outside the house. Okay, so I'm also grabbing that dark I would say it's a dark brown. It's not black yet, but it's a super dark brown eyeshadow, and just work that into my outer corner, and then I also blend that all in, and I'm using Morphe eyeshadow brushes. Bomb for this type of look, or for any type of look. Morphe brushes are amazing. So I'm also doing the same thing under my water lash line, and I'm grabbing that like super light gold eyeshadow and just pop that in the inner corner of my eyes like so, just to, you know, wake this look up a little bit more. And that is it for the look. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm grabbing the Juvia's Place highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight all the points I usually highlight, and bomb, just bomb, got it, girl, it's bomb. So I'm just highlighting on my forehead as well, my nose and my chin, and voila, look at that, we glowing, honey, we look good. Okay, so I'm taking that super dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to give myself like a light wing with this eyeshadow, because I wanted a softer glam, so I didn't want to do like a dramatic wing. I felt like that was just doing too much for this look. And I'm also popping my lashes, and these are KoKo lashes in I think Stella. I'm sorry. These are KoKo lashes in Stella. I haven't bought KoKo lashes in such a long time, so I'm reusing the ones I have. I'm definitely going to buy some here pretty soon. But these lashes are all my hands down favorite lashes because they're affordable and they look really well on my eye shape, and they're not too dramatic. So for lips, I am taking a beautiful red lipstick, and I'm outlining my lips with this Laura Mercier lip pencil as well, and the Juvia's Place liquid lipstick. It is amazing. It's the only red liquid lipsticks that they have on their website right now. They got rid of the other one. I forgot even the other shade. The other shade was really pretty too, but this one is super beautiful. It's super red. So if you're looking for that true red, this will be it. Okay, it's like super red, but it's not like a ugly red. So I also popped some highlight on top of my lips, and now it's time to set my face with the Too Faced setting spray like so. And y'all, this is it for this glam. Okay, super easy, super simple. I hope you guys are having a great holiday so far. I hope you guys create this look and let me know in the Instagram, tag me in a picture or two. And yeah, my loves, I love y'all so much, and I'll open the Sana, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hey, all right, bye loves.